Secretive startup Heliogen, funded by Bill Gates, has made a solar breakthrough with the goal of rescuing the world by eliminating the need for fossil fuels. This startup harnesses the power of the sun to create clean, efficient, and affordable energy for industrial use. Let's find out everything about this groundbreaking solar energy startup by Bill Gates. Bill Gates is no stranger to making a difference in the world of technology. He successfully co-founded Microsoft back in 1975, and over the years has made a number of advancements in various industries. Now he's taking a stand on renewable energy by launching a Bill Gates solar energy startup Heliogen, the first startup to commercialize a technology that replaces fossil fuels with carbon-free, ultra-high temperature heat from the sun. In the coming minutes, we'll explain how this revolutionary technology was made possible. Explaining halogen technology. To create Heliogen, Gates partnered with entrepreneur and inventor Bill Gross from Idealab, a venture capital firm that focuses on fostering the growth of innovative startups. Together, they developed a technology to focus sunlight on a single point, increasing its intensity and heat beyond levels of natural sunlight. Heliogen uses mirrors to concentrate the sun's energy and heat up materials to temperatures as high as 1,000 degrees Celsius. This concentrated energy is then used for a variety of applications such as powering industrial processes and creating hydrogen fuel. To make this possible, Heliogen uses an array of computer-controlled mirrors that can track and reflect the sun's rays onto a single point on an industrial furnace or other target surface. Bill Gross, CEO and founder of Heliogen, mentioned, "Heliogen represents a technological leap forward in addressing 75% of energy demand, the use of fossil fuels for industrial processes and transportation. With low-cost, ultra-high temperature process heat, we have an opportunity to make meaningful contributions to solving the climate crisis." By focusing the sun's energy on this small spot with extreme accuracy, Heliogen is able to raise temperatures far beyond what is possible with traditional solar-powered systems. This heat can then be used for a variety of industrial purposes, such as steel and aluminum production, as well as some other processes like crop drying. As a result, greenhouse gas emissions will decrease as heavy industry begins to switch from fossil fuels to solar power. Many industries, such as those involved in the production of steel, cement, and petrochemicals, require extremely high temperatures during production. Over 20% of the world's emissions come from heavy industries, the Environmental Protection Agency reports. What makes Heliogen so unique is that this process can be used to generate temperatures well in excess of 1,000 degrees Celsius. This is the same level of heat created by traditional fossil fuels, but with much less carbon dioxide emissions. Plus, as the system uses only solar energy, it is a clean and renewable energy source. Not only does it have environmental benefits, such as reducing carbon dioxide emissions, but it also offers economic advantages by being a much cheaper and more cost-effective source of energy. Discover more of Heliogen's potential in the approaching minutes. We're incredibly excited to witness the impact that Heliogen will have on the world, and we will continue updating you on this revolutionary technology, so be sure to subscribe to this channel and enable post notifications so you don't miss out on our updates. The potential of Heliogen. The development of Heliogen is a huge leap forward for renewable energy, as it makes it possible to generate renewable energy on an industrial scale.
What's that word?
By making renewable energy easier and more cost-effective to use, Heliogen could drastically reduce the amount of carbon dioxide emissions from industrial processes. Because the heat released is so intense, it can generate enough energy to replace coal and natural gas. And while burning fossil fuels leads to the release of greenhouse gases, Heliogen produces none of those gases and therefore generates zero carbon emissions. In addition to its zero-emission advantage, Heliogen can also be a much cheaper option than some renewable energy sources such as solar and wind, meaning people will be able to save money on their energy bills. By providing a cost-effective and renewable source of energy that can reach the extreme temperatures required for industrial processes, such as those used in steel and cement manufacturing, the startup can potentially disrupt fossil fuel-based energy production. Additionally, Heliogen's technology could be used to create clean hydrogen fuel, which has a wide range of applications such as powering transportation and replacing oil-based products. And not to mention, Heliogen also offers economic advantages. Solar energy is a much cheaper source of energy than traditional fossil fuels, making it far more cost-effective in the long run. Plus, a Heliogen system has a low cost of maintenance, which makes it attractive to industrial businesses. To say that Heliogen is revolutionary would be an understatement. After all, it does something that was thought to be impossible for many years: captures solar energy efficiently enough for it to be used for industrial processes. To make this innovation a reality, Bill Gates had to solve a long-standing problem in renewable energy: the problem of integrating large solar arrays into existing industrial processes, such as steel manufacturing or cement production. With the help of Heliogen, the world can progress towards a greener future. It can provide an alternative to the burning of fossil fuels, helping to protect and preserve our environment.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
A stunning new plastic battery design is making waves in the battery industry. This revolutionary technology promises to be 10x faster to charge, 10x cheaper, and 10x safer than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Be sure to check out more about this shocking new plastic battery to learn even more. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.